Okay, we're going to talk about cinnamon in this video. Now, cinnamon is one of the oldest and most recognizable of flavors in the world. Ancient Egyptians imported cinnamon from China and used it as medicine and food enhancer. Since then, it has been used just about every type of food product available. The spice is obtained from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree. The bark rolls up while drying in the sun and forms what we know as a cinnamon stick, which is left as is or ground into a fine powder. Preliminary lab and animal studies have found that cinnamon may have antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's active against candida, the fungus that causes yeast infections in thrush, and Helicobacter pylori, the bacteria responsible for stomach ulcers. It has an anti-clotting effect on the blood. Several studies suggest that cinnamon may have a regulatory effect on blood sugar, making it especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. Other studies with cinnamon showed an amazing ability to stop medication-resistant yeast infections. One study even found that smelling cinnamon boosts cognitive function and memory. In a study published by researchers at the U.S. Department of Agriculture in Maryland, cinnamon reduced the proliferation of leukemia and lymphoma cancer cells. During research at Copenhagen University, patients given a half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder combined with 1 tablespoon of honey every morning before breakfast had significant relief in arthritis pain after 1 week. Studies have shown that just a half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day can lower LDL cholesterol. In addition, researchers at Kansas State University found that cinnamon fights the E. coli bacteria in unpasteurized juices. When added to food, it inhibits bacterial growth and food spoilage, making it a natural food preservative. Cinnamon is also a great source of manganese, fiber, iron, and calcium. So, as a review, what are some of the benefits you can get from a raw organic cinnamon powder? You could expect to have a lowering of your LDL cholesterol. You could have relief of diarrhea. You could fight the E. coli bacteria and fungal infections, aiding digestion, reducing headaches and migraine pain, boosting cognitive function and memory, fighting the common cold, anti-clotting effect on the blood, treating toothaches, eliminating some parasites, supporting healthy blood sugar levels, preserving foods, reducing the proliferation of leukemia and lymphoma cancer cells, eliminating bad breath, relieving an arthritis pain, and the ability to stop medication-resistant yeast infections. And so there's a whole long list of health benefits to consuming cinnamon, and I would encourage everyone to take a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of cinnamon per day. Make sure that it's a cassia, organic, and start using it because it surely is powerful medicine.